Okay, boys and girls, I made this slideshow just to help us review one more time what we do to solve two-step word problems. Remember, there's a lot of reading, and it's very important that we read carefully. We underline what we know, and we circle what we need to find. Okay? And we have to show our work. So let's take a look at this word problem here. Follow along with me. John borrowed 10 books from the library. He read 4 of them on Friday. Then he read one more on Saturday. How many books has he not read yet? Okay, there are a lot of words here and not an easy question to understand, but let's do what we're supposed to do first. So we underline John borrowed 10 books from the library. That's very important. And he read 4 of them on Friday, so there's another number there. Then he read one more on Saturday. So far we've got 3 numbers. How many books has he not read yet? And that's our question, which means we're going to circle it. Well, we're going to do the first step. We're not going to use all the numbers at once. He read 10 books, he borrowed 10 books, and he read 4 of them. 10 minus 4 is 6. Now the second part of the problem, then he read one more on Saturday. Well, we're going to put that 6 there. And since he read one more book, we're going to do this because we want to know how many books he has not read yet. You can pause if you need to, but I'm going to give you the answer now. Okay, so this is what we want our word problems to look like. There are 2 steps, lots of numbers. Let's break it up into 2 steps. Let's try another. Akira had 12 cherries in his lunchbox. He gave 2 to Helen. Then he ate 4. How many cherries does he have left? If you can figure this out on your own, you can just hit pause and push play again when you think you have the answer. So we're underlining our important information. 12 cherries in his lunchbox. He gave 2 to Helen. Then he ate 4. We've got 12, 2, and 4. How many cherries does he have left? Well, he had 12 and he gave 2 to Helen, so we have 12 minus 2, and that equals 10. So the first part of our problem is complete. And we're going to move that 10 down. Then he ate 4. Minus 4. Okay, and now we're at the part that we're going to answer. How many cherries does he have left? 10 minus 4 equals 6. And you know, this one's kind of making me a little hungry. I wonder what I would like to eat. I don't know, but as soon as I'm done making this video, I think I need to eat something sweet. Let's look at one more. Sebastian had some baseball cards. Now, when you're taking your test, if you see a difficult name, forget about it. It's not important. Sebastian had some baseball cards. His friend gave him 7 more. Then he gave 3 to his brother. Now he has 14. How many cards did he have to start with? Sebastian had some baseball cards. That's underlined, and it's important. Even though there's no number, we've got the word some. His friend gave him 7 more. Then he gave 3 to his brother. Now he has 14. So what do we know? Some baseball cards, 7 more, then 3, now 14. How many cards did he have? How many cards did he have to start with? This tells us that we're missing something important. We're missing an addend. So we've got to leave that blank. His friend gave him 7 more, so there's the plus 7. Then he gave 3 to his brother, so there's the minus 3. Now he has 14. Well, the easy way to do this when we have 3 numbers on one side of the equal sign is to do what? We have to do something with these. We have to group them. Yes. And 7 minus 3 equals 4. So something plus 4 equals 14. I'm not going to give you the answer. I think you can figure this one out. The end.